ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka College Puli Nursing ka babhatam na kabanta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
Kumshi benta bandang Iman Sim Shushu ya ka kunhun East Khasi Hills District Inter-School Athletic Team. Halo ka jingla kai baha ha ka state level inter-school athletic meet araja apsa ka badang shukut shen ya ka balapulong hasai STC Shillong Nehu Campus Maukun Ro nadu ka arpu arturik Jembang hadu ka arpu sauturik Jembang araja apsa. Ka kunhun jong East Khasi Hills District kalapan i shisha ya ka jing tibet hadu balayo bandra ya ka nam kumpo overall champion ha ka ni ka jing kun. The East Khasi Hills District Team kalayo Khur hado khat art league gold medal, Henrutu league silver medals, light league bronze medals, bat kabalara ya ka nam champion team jong ki kenthei, bat ka bakun thup langru ya ka overall champion team. Ki coaches jong ka East Khasi Hills District Athletics Association ru kilatrish tombha nado ba aji kai yi nong yele akai ha ka coaching camp, bat ki balano senyang shibuan manyo Khur jing job ka kunhun. Kum shibantaban ay buram ya ka jing trish tom ka district sports officer Shillong kalapin banaru dakasong pisang bagi momentu shiki coaches kum ka jing Iman CM ya ka jing trish tom.
In boys under 16 category also with the cash prize of rupees 2,000. Lingdo Tambhalang Lingdo. Mysterious Nonglam. Vede Boy Kongsai. From the under 14 category boys who participated,